Hi, I'm Valerie Lomas, author of the baking cookbook, Life is What You Bake It, and winner of the Great American Baking Show. The holiday season is the perfect opportunity to bond and connect over festive meals that put everyone in a cheerful spirit. So I'm going to show you how to make this easy holiday brunch meal. We use this new parchment paper with Stay Flat Dispensing from Reynolds Kitchens. You know, they are known for creating products that make meal times easier. This is their newest innovation that keeps the parchment paper flat, so no more wrestling with your parchment paper. And Reynolds Kitchen is the only one that makes this. It's even patent pending. Just amazing stuff. It's easy to use with a simple tuck, press, and pull. Just make sure the paper is rolling over the top, dispense 3 inches, tuck the reinforced panel into the box, press the red button, and pull. And look at that, my parchment paper lays completely flat. Amazing. After the tuck, press, and pull, just add that sheet of Stay Flat parchment paper to your pan and lay out your desired ingredients well spaced out on top before popping it into the oven for a one-pan, easy presentation meal. Here, we added eggs, bacon, and potatoes, but you can add whatever you like, waffles, or even sheet pan pancakes. I love this paper too for baking things like cookies because of the smart grit lines. It makes it easy to evenly space the dough so that things don't melt together. I'd much rather spend an early morning cozying up with my family in winter pajamas, so this one-pan brunch recipe helps me cut down on cooking time. For more recipes, check out the Reynolds website at reynoldsbrands.com.